Hey guys, Lexi Wyer here with Blue Coast Realty in Wilmington, North Carolina. I'm just waiting for some clients right now. I'm in Curry Beach. I'm showing beach homes in Curry Beach and Carolina Beach area today. And these clients had a really great idea, so I just wanted to share it with you guys. So this is a multi-generational family living situation. They're relocating from another state. The parents or the grandparents, they are retirement age, and then they have kids, and then those kids also have little kids. So there's 3 generations moving into this beach home, and they are just ready to be together and enjoy the beach life and slow down a little bit. So they're able to look at beach homes pretty close to the water because they are combining incomes. So if you've ever thought about doing that with, some people that you know or family, there's a lot of positives to that. You might be able to buy a house close to the water that you wouldn't be able to afford otherwise. Granted, you are going to have to really, really like those people. But if you like your family, then might be a good idea for you. Anyways, reach out if you have any questions or you guys want to talk about any properties or come take a look at the area. Lexi at WilmingtonNChomes.com. We'll talk to you soon.